This video is inspired by the wisdom of Warren Buffett and presents 11 rules to escape the poverty loop. Poverty is not merely a lack of money, but a gravitational system. To break free, you need financial escape velocity. The physics of poverty involves the scarcity tax, where you pay a premium for being poor through things like overdrafts and payday loans. The psychology is that financial stress lowers your effective IQ, and survival mode kills long-term thinking. Rule 1 is to build a shock absorber, or a buffer. Save $1,000 and do not touch it. This is for stability, not investing. The goal is to defeat the emergency tax and buy back your cognitive bandwidth. Rule 2 is to defeat the dopamine trap. Consumption is a temporary anesthetic. Cut all non-essentials and enter monk mode for 6 months to rewire your brain's reward system. Find dopamine in control, not consumption. Rule 3. Pay yourself first. As Warren Buffett says, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Allocate your income. 70% for living expenses, 20% for wealth building, and 10% for your buffer or emergency fund. Rule 4. Stack your skills. Avoid linear effort where time equals money. The market pays for rarity, not exhaustion. Be pretty good at 3 things and combine them. Scale value, not effort, to beat the hourly illusion. Rule 5. Isolate from social gravity. You are the average of your 5 closest influences. Beware the crab bucket effect. Hack your mirror neurons with virtual mentors like books and podcasts, and practice ruthless isolation from complaints. Rule 6. Understand value versus price. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Stop buying cheap things that wear out quickly. Start buying quality that lasts. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out. Rule 7. Demand a margin of safety. Always leave room for error. Don't push your limits. Your cash buffer serves as your personal margin of safety, ensuring stability and preventing major setbacks. Rule 8. Tame Mr. Market. Temperament is more important than intellect. Don't let the mood swings of others coax you into panic. Focus on the playing field, not the scoreboard. Shift from reactive survival to strategic control. Rule 9. Buy the S&P 500. Consistency is greater than complexity. Owning a piece of the American economy, even by investing $10 a day at 8%, can lead to $450,000 in 30 years. Buy it through thick and thin. Rule 10. Cross the compound void. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Those who understand it earn it. Those who don't, pay it. Stop paying interest on debt like high-interest credit cards and start earning equity and momentum. Rule 11. Play the long game. Beware of lifestyle inflation. Earn more, spend the same, and invest the difference. The goal is not luxury, but dignity. The ability to wait, to walk away, and to say no. To achieve escape velocity and leave the atmosphere of poverty, you need to follow these steps. Momentum isn't magic. It's mathematics applied patiently. Build the buffer, stack skills, and cross the compound line. The door was never locked. It just required time.